Can you actually clone your own voice with Elevenlabs, and how accurate is it compared to the original? What are the best ways to customize AI-generated voices for different types of projects, from podcasts to customer service? Artificial intelligence is no longer science fiction. It's here, and it's transforming how we work, create, and even communicate. But how strong is AI, and what does the future hold? Today, we're exploring the incredible potential of AI using Elevenlabs as an example, a tool that shows just how powerful and innovative AI has become. Welcome back to another iDaily Buzz special. The power of strong AI. Artificial intelligence has come a long way from being a futuristic concept to becoming an essential part of our daily lives. Today, we stand at the brink of what is known as strong AI, where systems can not only perform complex tasks, but also adapt to new challenges, understand context, and deliver results that are indistinguishable from those produced by humans. Elevenlabs is a perfect example of how strong AI is already transforming industries and redefining the possibilities of machine learning. So what makes AI like Elevenlabs so powerful? At its core, strong AI goes beyond basic automation or pattern recognition. It mimics human intelligence by understanding nuance, emotion, and intent. This is especially evident in Elevenlabs' revolutionary voice technology. Unlike traditional text-to-speech tools that sound robotic or monotone, Elevenlabs uses advanced machine learning to generate lifelike voices that feel authentic, expressive, and adaptable to various needs. Revolutionizing voice technology. With Elevenlabs, you can do things that were once unimaginable. Imagine typing out a script and having it read back to you in a voice that's so natural, you'd swear it was a real person. This goes far beyond simple speech generation. Elevenlabs' AI captures the subtleties of human communication, intonation, rhythm, pitch, and even emotional undertones, creating speech that feels truly alive. Take, for example, its voice cloning feature. In just minutes, you can provide a short audio sample of your voice, and the AI will replicate it with remarkable accuracy. The clone voice can then read any text you provide, delivering results that are incredibly realistic. This level of sophistication demonstrates just how far AI has come in understanding and recreating human-like behavior. Efficiency meets adaptability. Another key strength of AI like Elevenlabs is its speed and adaptability. Tasks that traditionally took hours or days, such as recording voiceovers or narrating audiobooks, can now be completed in minutes. This isn't just a convenience. It's a game changer for industries like content creation, education, and entertainment. Imagine being a content creator with a packed schedule. Instead of spending hours recording and editing voiceovers, you could use Elevenlabs to instantly generate high-quality narration in your own voice. Or think about educators creating e-learning materials in multiple languages. Elevenlabs not only translates text, but also adapts the voice to sound authentic in different accents, making learning materials more accessible to diverse audiences. Pushing creative boundaries. The strength of strong AI isn't just in efficiency, it's also in its ability to inspire and enhance creativity. Elevenlabs enables users to experiment with voices in ways that were never possible before. For example, a game developer can create unique, character-specific voices that add depth and realism to their stories. A filmmaker can produce multiple character narrations without hiring a full cast of voice actors. This creative freedom shows how strong AI is not about replacing human effort, but enhancing it. Elevenlabs becomes a collaborator, a partner in the creative process, unlocking new possibilities and pushing the boundaries of what's achievable. A glimpse into the future. What Elevenlabs represents is just the beginning of what strong AI can achieve. As AI systems continue to grow more intelligent and versatile, they will become even more integrated into our lives, bridging gaps, breaking barriers, and opening doors to innovation we can't yet imagine. The power of strong AI lies in its ability to enhance human potential, and Elevenlabs is one of the clearest examples of how it's already doing that today. What's next for AI? 1. Hyper-personalized experiences. The next wave of AI innovation is all about personalization. AI will become better at understanding individual preferences, needs, and emotions, allowing it to deliver tailored solutions for everyone. For instance, imagine AI-generated voices that adapt not just to text, but also to the listener. A voice for a bedtime story might sound calm and soothing, while the voice for a business presentation might be more dynamic and authoritative. With tools like Elevenlabs already offering customizable voices, the future might bring AI systems that can intuitively adjust tone and emotion in real time, making interactions feel even more natural and personal. This level of personalization could transform industries like customer service, healthcare, and education by making communication more engaging and effective. 2. Multimodal AI integration. The future of AI will also involve the seamless integration of multiple types of AI systems. Multimodal AI combines text, audio, video, and even haptic feedback to create richer, more immersive experiences. Imagine Elevenlabs working alongside AI image generators like Midjourney to produce not just a narrated story, but an entire interactive visual and auditory experience. For businesses, this could mean creating virtual customer assistants capable of holding intelligent conversations while displaying visual guides or walkthroughs. In entertainment, it could lead to fully immersive virtual worlds where AI voices, visuals, and characters combine to create experiences that feel indistinguishable from reality. 3. Breaking language barriers. AI is already making strides in breaking down language barriers, but the future will take this to a whole new level. Imagine real-time language translation that doesn't just translate words, but also captures the speaker's tone, emotion, and intent. Elevenlabs' ability to create multilingual voices is an early step in this direction, but as AI grows stronger, we could see global communication transformed. Picture a world where someone in Japan could have a seamless, natural conversation with someone in Brazil, with AI ensuring the voices sound authentic and relatable in their native languages. This could revolutionize diplomacy, global business, and cultural exchange, bringing the world closer together. 4. Creative and ethical challenges. With the rapid advancement of AI comes a set of challenges that we must address responsibly. Tools like Elevenlabs demonstrate how AI can enhance creativity, but as the technology becomes more powerful, it also raises questions about authenticity and ethics. How do we ensure that AI-generated voices aren't used maliciously to impersonate others or spread misinformation? What safeguards can be put in place to protect intellectual property and personal privacy? Companies like Elevenlabs are already taking steps to implement ethical guidelines, but as AI evolves, these challenges will require ongoing attention and innovation. 5. AI as a collaborative partner. One of the most exciting aspects of the future of AI is its potential to become a true collaborator in human creativity and problem solving. Instead of being just a tool, AI will increasingly work alongside us as a partner. Tools like Elevenlabs exemplify this shift by not only automating tasks, but also enhancing our ability to create and communicate. Imagine co-writing a novel with an AI that can generate lifelike dialogue for characters, or developing a business strategy with AI-driven insights tailored to your specific industry. The future of AI isn't about replacing human effort. It's about amplifying our potential and enabling us to achieve things we never thought possible. The future of AI is full of promise, with tools like Elevenlabs showing us just how far we've already come. As AI grows stronger and more integrated into our lives, it will unlock new opportunities for creativity, communication, and collaboration. However, with great power comes responsibility, and it's up to all of us to ensure that AI is developed and used in ways that benefit humanity as a whole. The next chapter of AI is just beginning, and it's one we'll write together: human ingenuity and AI innovation, working hand in hand. If you're interested in trying Elevenlabs yourself, I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments. Let me know what you think of its features, and if there are other AI tools you'd like me to review or dive into next. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe to the channel. I cover the latest and greatest trends in AI tools, sharing tips, reviews, and insights to help you get the most out of these technologies, whether you're a developer, content creator, or just curious about what AI can do. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on future videos. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay curious, stay creative, and keep exploring what AI can do. See you in the next video.